Kritika, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought of filming a video. इस पे काफ़ी रिक्वेस्ट आई हुई थी my bag collection. मैं इसके दो पार्ट्स करूँगी. इस वीडियो में मैं दिखाऊँगी all of my designer bags, and if you're watching my video for the first time, subscribe to my channel for all the fun videos related to fashion, makeup, lifestyle, vlogs, career, everything related to that. So make sure you do that right now and click on the bell button so that you're notified whenever I post a new video. Okay guys, before I start this video, I just want to give you guys a quick disclaimer. I'm not showing off. I just want to tell you guys, ये सारे bags जो भी मैंने लिए हैं, I bought it from my own money and I'm really proud. But I'm not boasting, I just want to share, and it's a fun channel wherein I show you guys different products and stuff I get, hauls and everything like that. So I'm getting awkward right now, but please don't think that I'm showing off in any way. I just wanted to share whatever I have. Okay, so before I start the video, I quickly wanted to give you guys some pointers. If you want to buy luxury bags and you don't know where to start, get something which is classic. अगर आप कुछ भी ऐसा trendy colors वगैरह अभी देख के ले लोगे ना, then you'll regret it later. And obviously luxury bags are a huge investment. I prefer black, beige or white. Also, don't be impulsive. Make sure you research before you're buying a bag, and it's always great when you buy a pre-loved bag. India mein there's Confidential Couture. They have lots of bags there and keep on updating their website. You can check that out. I'll keep a link in the description box below. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. This is the first bag that I got, the YSL envelope clutch bag. This is in black color and यहाँ पर gold detailing and the chain is gold as well. मेरा जो bags का जो love affair start हुआ है ना, इस bag से start हुआ है. When I got this bag, I literally had tears in my eyes. I felt like, oh my god, I've achieved something in my life. And yeah, this is very close to my heart. Although I don't wear it इतना ज़्यादा. But if you are venturing into luxury bags and आपको लेना है कोई bags, I won't suggest this bag because इसका ज़्यादा use मैं कर नहीं पाती हूँ. Although it's a very cute bag, अगर आप parties वगैरह में जा रही हो, you can just wear it like this normally and with jeans, with dresses, anything like that. Next up, I have this Gucci Marmount shoulder bag, and this I gifted this to Diksha on her birthday, and she wanted a bag for a really long time. But I thought this will be the best gift, and she was really happy and surprised. ऐसे ही पकड़ा दो.
1, 2, 3.
But this is what it looks like. यहाँ पर Gucci का logo, and then it's in black color and gold detailing. You can see a pattern. I love black and gold together. I got this from Emporio, Delhi. If you're buying a bag from London or anywhere else, it definitely is much cheaper, but I wanted this for a birthday, so I got this. Next up, we have the same bag, the shoulder bag, but this one is quite big. काफी time से I've been watching this influencer who's in Australia, Sammy Robinson, and I love her style, and I wanted this bag for a really long time. And मैंने ऐसे randomly Diksha को दिखाया था, oh look at this bag, अच्छा I'll buy this next time, and she got this for my birthday, which is very sweet. We were in New Zealand and we went there store पे जाके, and she's like, what do you think about this bag? ये और वो कोई और कलर का मुझे दिखा रही थी distract करने के लिए, and बाद में then I got to know, मैंने बोला are you buying a bag for me? Don't. She's like नहीं मैंने ले लिया and we got this bag, and उसके बाद I've literally exploited this bag a lot. I can't even tell you. सबसे ज़्यादा अगर मुझे कोई बैग चूज करना हो ना, जो मैंने सबसे ज़्यादा डाला है आज तक और सबसे ज़्यादा यूज करा है, I think this is that bag. Yeah, it's very basic but it stands out for some reason, and the size is perfect. Like this is a medium size bag and it holds a lot of stuff. काफी कुछ आ जाता है इसमें. If I have to suggest, I think this is the bag for you if you're venturing into luxury handbags. So my favorite brand out of the lot is YSL, and I love this brand to death. I don't know why I'm so attracted towards this brand, but from the logo to the design to everything is so classy and so chic. So this is the YSL College large bag. It has silver detailing. बाकी सब black और gold है. So for a change, ये silver है, and it has a thick chain as well. ये मैंने ना ज़्यादा use नहीं करा because I broke the button. So this is a pre-loved bag. So ऐसे sites वगैरह जहाँ पर people usually sell off their clothes or bags or shoes जो उन्हें नहीं चाहिए होता है, mostly luxury products. I worked with them, so I got this from that brand. I won't recommend that brand to you guys because I've heard bad reviews about that, and I don't want you guys to suffer. अगर मुझे chance भी नहीं लेना, although this is authentic, but I don't really want you guys to take a chance. And yeah, but I love this bag. I really want to get this button fixed and use this again. So next up we have this Palm Springs mini Louis Vuitton bag, and it's Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. I'm not French, so please ignore that, but I like Louis Vuitton bags, but I don't love Louis Vuitton bags. But once I got this bag, I fell in love with the brand, and uske baad I wanted a trolley, I wanted a tote, but maine nahi liya. I've used this bag a lot. This is a very cute bag, and you can wear it with dresses. It looks very vintage and cute at the same time. Not gonna lie, इसमें ज़्यादा सामान fit नहीं होता, but it just looks very cute. Fun story, when I went to get this bag, I think it was in 2018. I was getting a lot of stares, and I saw that people judge you कि ये क्यों लेगा, या ये कैसे ले सकती है, she looks like a kid, मतलब बच्चे से ऐसे लग रहा था. When you're dressed up like that, समझ आ गया सबको, डिटेल काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो गई है. But when I got the bag, they start treating you very differently, so that's really sad and weird at the same time. But then I got this bag, and I take this bag everywhere, London, every other trip usually. Yeah, that's that. Moving on, काफ़ी लंबा description हो गया इस bag का. Next up we have this BALENCIAGA phone pouch shoulder bag, and my mom usually makes fun of it. वो हमेशा सब मेरे घर पे relatives वगैरह भी आते तो वो लोग बोलते हैं कि it looks like a polythene bag. I don't know, मैंने इसको बहुत कम पहना है, so the only thing I regret is this bag. मैंने इसको ज़्यादा use नहीं करा, and I wish I could wear it more often. I think अगर मैं इसको black color में लेती ना तो I think फिर भी मैं पहन लेती maybe, but I'm just giving excuses and reasons. I got this from London in 2019, and usually I save up for 5-6 months, and then I give myself a treat every year when I go for fashion weeks or whenever I'm traveling. Usually I get my bags from London because it's cheaper obviously. Yeah, I got this bag and I was really happy. I posted a picture on Instagram as well, and बहुत सारे लोगों को ये bag पसंद नहीं आया. So if you are someone who's just starting and आपको कोई ऐसा बैग चाहिए जो आप लॉन्ग रन में यूज कर सको, ये मत लेना. Okay, next up we have this off-white bag, shoulder bag, and this is what it looks like. It has stripes, diagonal stripes here, and this is Diksha's bag actually, and we share everything from clothes to bags, so I just wanted to show you guys. It has a very fun, edgy, sporty vibe. If you're someone who loves athleisure and आपको ऐसे chic और fancy bags अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं, I think you should definitely get the off-white one, and it's very small, not gonna lie. You can take out the strap and use it with any other bag or however you want to use it, but this is what it looks like. I won't waste your time, I'll quickly move on to the next one. Okay, next up we have this Burberry bag. It has silver detailing here, and we can see Burberry written here all over the bag. It has good amount of space here. You can keep a lot of stuff, your phone, your wallet, a lot of stuff here. I even carry my perfume for some reason, but it gives me punk vibes and I really like it. It looks like this. I usually wear silver accessories. आज मैंने gold पहना है, don't mind that. मेरे पास ऐसे silver में बहुत कम बैग है, silver detailing वाले. I think I only have YSL and this one, so yeah. So I got this in 2020 January and I absolutely love it. It's not as expensive as the Gucci one, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, so last but not least we have Louis Vuitton bag, and it's a shoulder bag. सारी shoulder bags है usually जो भी मेरे पास है, and it has the logo all over the bag, and यहाँ पर we have some black and gold, and the straps are golden. ये दीक्षा का bag है, mention कर देती हूँ. So when I saw this bag for the first time, I thought no, this is not my style, but when I started wearing it, I loved this bag. This is something which you can wear with just a jeans or a top and you look so classy. This just stands out, and it's not very out there, but it still looks very chic and classy. So I love this bag. It holds a lot of stuff. It has a lot of space here. Really nice bag. Diksha also wears it a lot. I think this is our new favorite bag. उससे थोड़े टाइम पहले Gucci वाला bag था, the shoulder bag which I showed you guys, the medium size one, and now this has become a new favorite. Okay, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel for more such videos, and let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you in the next one.
Bye guys!
Oh my god! Oh! No manners. I'm filming a video. देख रहे हैं सब आपकी सच्चाई.